background, really. He make me itchy, and he just pain in the neck.
He makes me what, Marina?
Sorry?
He makes me what?
Itchy.
Oh,
So irritating.
It makes me what? Makes me
Itchy. Itchy.
what, like this?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't make you itchy.
Yeah.
Nervous.
And pain in my neck as well.
No, it is a pain. No, he's a pain in the neck. Okay, it gives me a pain. He doesn't. Rather than saying it gives me a pain in my neck, you say he's a pain. He's a pain in the neck.
In the neck. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, he's a pain in the neck.
All right. Eva and Marina don't like him. So he's, what did you call him, Marina? Is a pain in the what?
In the neck.
In the neck.
Okay.
Pain in the neck.
Oh, if you want to be really rude, you can say he's a pain in the arse.
Yeah, that's a.
He's oh God, he's an absolute pain in the arse. He's full of himself. He's a pain in the arse. He goes on and on about himself. He goes on and on and on about himself. Right. He'd say there's one subject in life that interests him. Himself.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
He's all about himself. Maria Trapasso, thank you very much. The dog just walked along her screen.
Cat. It's not a dog. It's a cat.
Oh, well, typical then. Oh, that was a brilliant solution. Okay, well done, you three. That was okay. Why not come and join us in our Chatterbox Zoom sessions? As you just saw, they're fun and funny, and importantly, you learn a lot of useful vocabulary and expressions. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.